Hey Globals, we are in South Summit 2025 in a networking tour, and the first stop we have Jose Maria, Director of Growth from ICEX. Tell us about what it is to invest in Spain.
Okay, so the current situation of the Spanish technological innovative ecosystem is growing. It's cutting the gap with the rest of the ecosystems in Europe because the Spanish startups are getting more maturity, so they are getting more potential yield for the potential investors, and we can see it in the different figures about how in 2024 there was an increase of VC investment in Spanish startups. In the first quarter of 2025, there was an increase. It's only 3 months, but it's an increase of 80% regarding the same 3 first months of the year in 2024. So I think the evolution is good. So the Spanish government is as well more involved in the financing, 50% of financing by the government of Spain and 50% by private partners, different funds, different verticals, different stages of the startup. So it's a momentum for co-investing in the different startups in Spain.
So tell us more about ICEX. What is about, how you help the ecosystem?
So we have been working in the ecosystem like since 6 years ago. So we identified 3 main challenges in the Spanish ecosystem. First of all is the scalability of the startups, mainly international scalability. Second is of course the financing. So we are increasing the financing in Spain, but it's not enough. The size of the tickets and the number of investors, so we have as well to increase the number of funds and the amount of investment in Spain. And finally, we are as well into the promotion of strategic alliances between corporates and the rest of the actors of the ecosystem, particularly corporates and startups, open innovation, but as well between corporates and corporate universities, with the rest of the actors of the ecosystem.
Any specific program or call to action you want to share with the global tech entrepreneur for our network?
Yes, we are very proud of a program that we are launching in September 2025. Through this program, we will introduce into the Spanish ecosystem 25 new Spanish companies, Spanish corporates that now they are not into the open innovation. They can hear about that, they know that it's interesting, but they are not into the system. So through a program in which we are going to have them involved in the ecosystem with experts, with mentors, with practical cases, with the theory of the open innovation. By the end of the program, it will be December 2025, 25 new Spanish companies will be in the ecosystem, pooling new technologies for getting competitiveness. That is the aim of the open innovation.
How to join?
Sorry?
How to join the program as a startup?
We will launch the call in September, and the program itself will be developed between October and November. It will be very intense. It will be for C-levels of the company, particularly the CEOs, because they are the ones at the company that they have the power to decide if open innovation is a tool for getting more competitiveness or not.
Thanks so much. You heard it from an organization helping to grow and expand the global tech entrepreneur. Thanks so much, Jose Maria.
Thank you very much.